Hi there everyone, this is a ProWorkflow files and messages tutorial. Files and messages can be sent and received by staff, contractors and/or clients who have been assigned to both a project or a task. Opening the message interface from a task is done by clicking on the task title and selecting the speech bubble icon. Here you can type your message and also use the @ symbol to directly mention another assignee. You may also use the hashtag symbol to add a tag. To select who receives the message, you'll see this area over here. You may also add a file by drag and drop or by browsing for a file. To make a message thread private, select the lock icon, and to turn email notifications on or off, select the email icon. Opening the message interface from a project is done from the message module down the bottom and done by clicking Add Message. All functions are identical to the sending message from a task and work in exactly the same way. However, rather than the message being limited to the singular task, here the messages are viewable by all assigned contacts dependent on their user permissions previously set. As a final tip, message recipients will be notified via email and can also reply via email. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please take a look at our other videos for more information.